Nasa huli naman ang pagsisisi, kaya kung meron kayong gustong bilhin, bilhin nyo na. Galing kaming Burawin, Leyte and going tayo to Tacloban with my brother dahil maglalabas tayo ng bagong motor. And for the commute muna ang mga persons kasi later magmumotor naman na tayo. Andito tayo ngayon sa Transcycle para mag-purchase ng bagong motor. At located sila sa corner Real Burger Street, Barangay 31, Pampanga ng Tacloban City. Pagdating na nga namin ay nakabungad agad sa harap yung Honda Click 160 na color white na ilalabas natin. And by the way, kung gusto nyo bumili ng mga motor na affordable, approachable na mga staff, don't hesitate to come dito sa Transcycle ng Tacloban. And I'm sure na marami kayong motor na pagpipilian. Dito na nga ay nag-fill out muna ako ng mga necessary documents and papers. And after natin mag-autograph, isinet up na ni Sir Alan yung motor natin. By the way, shoutout nga pala sa mga staff and sales representative ng Transcycle na very approachable and hands-on sa kanilang mga clients. After ma-set up, ang balagyan na gas is of course may pictorial muna with this big Transcycle key. And good to go na nga kami back to Burawin, Leyte. While on the road is naisipan muna namin kumain since hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. So dito muna kami sa McDo kumain and pinalagpas muna yung malakas na ulan. And if you guys is still interested, papanoorin nyo na lang yung mga dinaanan namin. And to be honest, di ko na din kasi alam kung paano tatapusin tong video na to.
Well, it's Saturday morning and the day is fine. Fluffy clouds and lots of sunshine. Come on, baby, let's go to the beach. Nothing for us is out of reach. So much to do, so much to see. Let's not waste it by sitting here. We'll hit the road at 80 miles an hour while you're munching on the bag of the sweet and sour. I got the beer, you get the wine. Grab that lotion and we'll be fine. Don't forget the bug spray and bandages too, in case you get stung by a bee or two. Come on, baby, just ride with me. I can be your fantasy. Come on, girl, hurry up, let's go. You got the beauty, I've got the dough. Come